Anytime you're feeling down, anytime you feel your energy is wrong, anytime you feel that there's some sort of an attack, we have to raise the frequency. In the house we have to have the durood and salawats playing, we have the isfand burning, and then we are making within ourselves our durood, our salawats, making our madad, all of our energy practices to bring that light more powerful around us. And this becomes the way of our reality. As a result, this is not something understood by most people. This has to do with the world of light. So what was the last part of the verse, Shaykh? Not the first part, the last part. وَمَنْ يُضْلِلْ فَلَنْ
تَجِدَ لَهُ وَلِيًّا مُرْشِدًا.